Hey guys, it's Journey with Mrs. Isaac, DeAndrea Isaacs. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. This is the last year of 2025, and tomorrow will be 2026. It's crazy. I want to talk to y'all real quick. Encourage y'all, tell y'all keep going. It doesn't matter how things look, how you feel, what's going on in your life. It could be hell on earth and heaven and whatever. But don't let nobody, not even yourself, tear you down to think somebody's talking about you or they don't like you because you haven't heard from somebody. Everybody is going through their own problems, their own things. They're struggling with their own situation. Just because you haven't heard from somebody or you thinking somebody's talking about you, they're not thinking about you. They're not worried about you because they got their own problems to worry about. So let's go into 2026 and stop always assuming an assumption. And if you're worrying about people talking about you, you think they're talking about you or they don't want to talk to you because you haven't heard from them, won't you be the first one to go be the outreach and go check on it? Hey, I haven't heard from you in a while. So to me, assuming something's that you don't want to be bothered, hey, let's go see how you're doing. That's what we can start doing in 2026. Stop assuming and let the devil talk in your brain or your mind get in your head and thinking that they don't like you or don't want to be bothered. They will tell you and go find out for yourself. We all adults. And the ones that are not adult like kids, and you wonder if that person's there for you and that friend's there for you, go reach out. Be the bigger person, go talk to them. If you're shy, like my mother-in-law always say, write a letter to the person, send it and give it to them and let them read it. If since you can't say it all out in person, write it down. Give it to them. Be a light to somebody instead of always assuming and let doubt and fear get the best of you. I need to sell that to myself because I be letting doubt and fear get to me, but I be binding it up and cast it out into outer darkness so it should never return to me or anybody else here on earth and stay out of here because we don't need that. We don't need negativity thoughts and negativity putting us down and discourage us and making us stress and worry. We don't need that because it'll just mess up our body and get us sick, and we don't need that. We're going to speak healing into our life. We're going to speak blessings. We're going to speak finance. Everything going to be paid off in 2026. We won't be lacking or wanting because everything you think of, everything like, God, I need such and such. I need to find out where the money come out. Boom, 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 boom. Knock at that door. Or somebody, a stranger, bless you with something. You just don't know. So just be encouraged going to 26 with your head up high and on a positive note, so that bringing doubt and fear, whatever hate and animosity you had towards anybody in 2025, leave it at the front door. Leave it there. So let's go into 2026 with all that back there. And let's go and start a fresh start. Let's start new beginnings in life. It's not going to be always easy, but just start with a good mindset. Think positive. I love you. God bless. Happy New Year's. And I hope you have a wonderful New Year's. Bye.